Hi, it's HardwareSet, and today I'll show you how to use Pro Mode on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite camera. So first, open the camera app. In here, go back and find More. In More, select Pro, and we have a couple of cameras options. First is ISO, and right here you can change it, as you can see. Then we have the shutter speed. Then we should have right here the exposure, but I'm guessing it's not working with a shutter speed manual, so I need to select auto. Now it works, the exposure, so the brightness. We have the focus, auto or manual focus, and white balance. That's pretty much it. You can right here also enable or disable flash, set the timer before the photo, change the resolution, and the metering. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.